Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Sorry about the wind, hopefully it'll die down over the day, but today we have the 1988 Acura Integra. This thing has 75,000 miles, 5-speed manual, blue cloth interior, because that's what the 80s were. This is just, look at the exhaust tips, like, oh my god, it is just so cool. This is the kind of stuff that I want to do more reviews on, more 80s era stuff. This is just so cool. You have cruise control, you have a, looks like a power sunroof. It's just all these things that you wouldn't expect to be there are there. Oh man, this is so cool. Wind up windows. People my age probably don't even know how to use those things. Manual mirrors. Come on, there you are. All right, cassette player. Oh man, what a car. What a cool little thing. So one thing I was told, one thing I've noticed already, these gear ratios are extremely short. And you'll see that once we go on the highway. 5th gear is really kind of like a modern day 3rd. This is also the era where the 55-mile-an-hour speed limit was a huge thing, with 55 marked very, very clearly top dead center on the speedometer. Another thing, this is going in for a clutch replacement. This clutch is, you know, it's seen better days, so I was just told to be a little careful with it. If I remember correctly, the owner is going to be kind of recreating the SE trim level, kind of doing an SE clone with it. And he has a SE wing, but he's like, I do not want to drill into this hatch because the car's so clean, absolutely gorgeous. I wouldn't want to drill into it either. It's so cool to drive this in a modern era. You know, where cars are basically how insulated and how many features can you put in a car. This is about, all right, here's a car. There's no blind spots. Alright, so right now I am doing about 68 miles an hour and we're turning 3,500 RPM. That's why the owner wants to put a Honda Accord 5th gear in the transmission to bring the revs down a little bit. This is a very rev-happy motor. A lot of Honda motors are. It's just so JD. This isn't really JDM because Acura was developed for America. But this kind of stuff is what's gonna take off in value because the modern day collectors, this is what they grew up with. Matter of fact, we were talking about stories of how the owner had cars like this, and he has a collection of about 20 cars. Very, very similar to stuff like this, and I'll be going through 2 or 3 more, and then more and more as the years go on, as he finishes some projects. He has a couple really, really cool projects in the works. And I love, yes, people obviously preserved Countachs. Those cars are preserved. But stuff like this never really got preserved. People used these cars. That's what they were designed to do. So ones that are extremely clean are becoming rarer and rarer. And in turn, becoming more and more valuable. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.